A big surprise awaits everyone. We know that Apple is set to unveil its new iPhone 16 series at the upcoming It's Glow Time event on September 9th. Alongside the four iPhone 16 models, there are reports that Apple might also introduce two versions of the AirPods 4, the Apple Watch SE 3, the Apple Watch Ultra 3, and the Apple Watch Series 10. However, recent leaks suggest that Apple could have an additional surprise in store for this event. According to the latest rumors, the company might reveal the iPad Mini 7 during the Glow Time event. Speculation about a new iPad Mini has been circulating for some time, and with decreasing stock of the iPad Mini 6, it seems increasingly likely that the iPad Mini 7 launch is imminent. Rumors indicate that the iPad Mini 7 may retain the 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2266 by 1488 and a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is a big disappointment. I think Apple has taken users for granted. A $200 Android phone offers 120 Hz refresh rate displays, and Apple's premium-priced devices only have 60 Hz. Branding a screen as Liquid Retina doesn't change the fact that it's still operating at 60 Hz, which doesn't match the smoothness that higher refresh rates provide. It's also disappointing to hear that Apple is likely to continue using an IPS LCD panel for this model instead of upgrading to OLED. Given the price of these devices, it seems reasonable to expect Apple to include a 120 Hz refresh rate, especially when other brands are offering it on much cheaper models. By the way, what's your take on it? Let us know in the comments below. One of the significant upgrades expected for the iPad Mini 7 is a substantial increase in RAM, potentially doubling from 4 gigs in the previous model to 8 gigs. Although there is speculation about an increase in storage capacity as well, no specific details have been confirmed yet. The iPad Mini 7 is also expected to receive a processor upgrade, with current rumors suggesting it might feature the A16 chipset. However, as the launch date approaches, there is a possibility that this could change to the A17 Pro or even the M1 chip. It's also worth noting that while the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, powered by the A16 Bionic processor, are excluded from the new Apple Intelligence features in iOS 18, these features will be available on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, which are equipped with the A17 Pro chip. So it is very likely that we will see an A17 Pro chipset in the iPad Mini 7 to make it compatible with Apple Intelligence. Furthermore, Snapchat has finally introduced a dedicated version of its app for the iPad, marking a significant update for users of Apple's tablet. Previously, those using Snapchat on an iPad had to rely on the iPhone version, which was not designed for a larger screen. This led to the app running at a lower resolution with black borders around it, detracting from the overall experience. With the latest update, Snapchat now runs natively on iPad, fully utilizing the device's larger display and providing a much improved user experience tailored to the tablet's capabilities. So what are your thoughts about these latest developments? Are you excited about iPad Mini 7? Let us know in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.